Are you experiencing the back pain during the pregnancy? You are not alone. Up to 70% of the pregnant women they face this discomfort as their body changes to support a growing baby. But here is the good news. With the right strategies, you can manage and even prevent the backache, making your pregnancy journey much more smoother and easier for you. So let's see the different causes, management, and how you can prevent it. The causes include weight gain. During the pregnancy, the body weight changes a lot, increasing the load on the spine as well, particularly in your lower back. Then the postural changes. As the pregnancy progresses, the body's center of the gravity is shifted towards forward, which can lead to the postural adjustment, and hence the strain of the back muscles can happen. Hormonal changes during the pregnancy, specifically the relaxin, can cause a relaxation of the muscles and the ligaments in the pelvic floor, as well as loosen the joints to become more flexible, which can result in the back pain. Muscle separation due to the uterine expansion, which are the parallel sheet of the muscles running from the rib cage to the lower pubic bone, contribute to the back discomfort. Stress can also lead to the muscle tension in the back, resulting in pain or the spasm. The management strategies include number one, the exercise. Regular gentle exercises such as walking or the swimming can strengthen the back muscles and improve the flexibility. Prenatal yoga or the specific exercises like the pelvic tilts can also help ease the tension. Number two is the postural management. In maintaining the proper posture, standing tall with your shoulders back can also reduce the strain on your back. When sitting, always try to use the chairs which support your back as well, and place a pillow behind your lower back for extra support. Number three is the supportive shoes. Wear the low-heeled supportive shoes to reduce the back strain. Number four is the heat or the cold therapy. Applying a heating pad or an ice pack to the affected area can also relieve the pain. Number five is the maternity support belts. These belts are available which can help distribute the weight more evenly and provide the support to the lower back. Number six is the sleeping position. Sleeping on your side with a pillow between your legs can also relieve the pressure on your lower back. A firm mattress can also sometimes help and offer more support. But remember, prevention by helping or taking more strengthening exercises is also very important, not only during the pregnancy but before the pregnancy as well. However, remember, if the back pain is associated with the leaking, with the bleeding, or the pain in your lower tummy, remember there can be the signs of the labor, so don't hesitate to contact your healthcare provider immediately.